Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick little video to explain how to change the default settings so that when you plug in a USB thumb drive in Windows 10, the File Explorer will actually pop up automatically. Of course, Windows 10 comes with Autoplay, which is a feature that means when you plug in something like a USB thumb drive, or if you insert a DVD, if you insert a memory card, well, what happens is that you can have an automatic process go through. So how do you have automatic File Explorer open up when you actually have a USB thumb drive plugged in? Simply go into your settings, either from the bottom right and going into all settings, or you can also go to the Start menu and click the Settings gear in Windows 10. And here, you simply go to the section that has to do with your devices. On the left side, you will see something that is called Autoplay. And here, choose Autoplay defaults for removable drive. This is what you want. And here you see I've set it to Open Folder to View Files, File Explorer. There are several options here. You can take no action, meaning nothing happens. Open folder to view the files. You can have it ask you every time, or configure a storage settings depending on what you want to have. So here I've chosen File Explorer. So when that is on, and I'll give you an idea here, I'll just eject my USB thumb drive. There we go. So now I've of course unplugged it from the computer. If I plug it back, normally File Explorer should actually open up and give me the files on this USB thumb drive. So here, I just plug it back in, and here you go. File Explorer just opened. I have in this USB thumb drive Kraftwerk album that is here. So that's what you see in here, some MP3s from Kraftwerk. And basically, I see everything that's there. And of course, on the left side, you will see that, if you click this PC, you will see that you have all your drives, including the drive, the removable drive. If it's a hard drive, same thing will happen. You can actually, a removable device or a removable drive includes, of course, the external hard drives. So if you plug in a 1 terabyte hard drive, same thing. File Explorer will pop up if you choose that option. You might want to choose, of course, different options, and this is up to you depending on what you want to do in the settings. So remember, going to Settings app, Devices, Autoplay on the left side, and choose the option that you want. Of course, some of you might even want to have it, take no action, have nothing happen. It's up to you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.